Today we are going to install our HTML signature within our Gmail email account. So as you can see here, I already received an email from my developer containing the HTML signature. I'm going into the email and selecting my new email signature, copying it to the clipboard, going to settings, see all settings. I'm going to scroll down to email signatures. I'm going to create a new one. I'm going to paste my email signature inside the text editor here. I'm going to set the email signature for use and save changes. To test if this worked, I'm going to go to Compose to see if my email signature is loading correctly. And as you can see here, we are done. Thank you.